Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install PostGrid in WordPress Elementor. This is a fantastic way to display your blog posts in a clean, organized grid layout that makes your website look more professional and user-friendly. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your WordPress website, head over to your browser, and log into your WordPress dashboard using your admin credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard interface where you can manage all aspects of your site. This is your control center for everything WordPress related, so take a moment to ensure you're in the right place before proceeding. Now look at the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Here you'll find a vertical menu with various options. Locate and click on Plugins. This will expand to show you additional choices. From this expanded menu, click on Add New. This section is where you'll discover and install new plugins to enhance your website's functionality. The Add New page gives you access to thousands of plugins available in the WordPress repository, making it easy to extend your site's capabilities. Once you're on the Add New Plugins page, you'll notice a search bar positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this search bar and type in PostGrid. As you type, WordPress will automatically begin searching through the plugin directory. Within seconds, you'll see relevant results appear, showcasing various plugins that match your search query. Look through these results carefully to find the official PostGrid plugin that best fits your needs. When you've identified the correct PostGrid plugin, you'll see an Install Now button right next to it. Go ahead and click on Install Now. WordPress will immediately begin downloading and installing the plugin files onto your server. This process typically takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection speed. You'll see a progress indicator showing that the installation is underway. After the installation completes, the Install Now button will transform into an Activate button. This is a crucial step because installing the plugin alone won't make it functional on your site. Click on Activate to enable the PostGrid plugin. Once activated, the plugin's features will be fully integrated into your WordPress and Elementor environment, allowing you to start creating beautiful PostGrids right away. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and activated PostGrid in WordPress Elementor, and you're now ready to create stunning grid layouts for your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.